Hey guys, welcome back to the series. If you guys been following the series, you guys know that I've been training a ChatGPT 4 model, essentially custom built for like the last 2 weeks, right? Obviously, I've trained it with, um, a couple of Python scripts, image recognition, prompts, things like that, and it's been pretty accurate so far. And I essentially I just made a video of it being correct on PayPay. I just made a video of it being correct on NVIDIA, and it seems only in the right direction to do SMCI. And if you guys are familiar with SMCI is essentially a semiconductor company that's basically similar to NVIDIA. And I do think personally, I do think it is headed up, but it is giving a predicted price level of $1,100 on SMCI. So, and you guys do know that I do like to just kind of make sure that everything is on point, right? So again, we do like to have those things, steady for us, but also, I like to have, what is it called? A really good indication of, using my own indicators to basically give us really good entries, right? So again, just using the indicators, your entry price would have been 747, out at 938. Again, green bubble under the midline, your entry would have been here at 760, probably out at 840, maybe held a little bit longer if you want shares. And I do think we're going back up again, right? I do think we're headed back up. Just a real quick TA for you guys. It does look like we're more than likely going to be pushing. I don't want to say guarantee, but I can almost tell you, right, just from using my own targets that, or actually not my own targets, but actually this is a real close buddy of mine. His name's Steve, who's part of my Patreon. He actually gave me, or actually showed me how to really, because my indicators are solid, right? I can honestly say that my indicators, you can pick them up on Amazon, on my book, right? The link is in my bio if you want the indicator specifically, right? But I always run the AI to give me a bias on the direction, and then I go to my indicators to let me know, hey, I think this is where we're probably headed, right? So again, it's a really good combo. And right now, it does look like you're going to be closing an 8-hour candle in about 4 hours. So even so though, I would actually take this as confirmation, this candle for May 21st, right? Because he did close above open, and I do think that we are headed to $1,000 on SMCI. Once this breaks, I think 1100 is solid. But again, ChatGPT gave us that 1100 price target. Because we're using the 8-hour chart, I'd say 20 intervals from there. So I would give it maybe within, I'd say 3 weeks for this to hit. So I do think it's going to, $1,100. And then from there, we'll come back and see what happens. Maybe I'll make a video, saying that, it was correct again. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.